Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the electrifying realm of power supplies. Yes, folks, today we're comparing the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 and the MSI A750 gigaliters. Because if you're going to power your gaming rig, you might as well do it with style and maybe a little pizzazz, right? First up, let's talk about the price. Both of these beauties are priced at $99. That's right. For the price of a fancy dinner that you'll probably regret the next day, you could instead power your PC like a boss. Reviewers of the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 mention that it offers exceptional performance and reliability, making it a great value for the price. Meanwhile, MSI A750GL buyers also rave about its great value and efficiency, making both products equally appealing in terms of cost. Now, let's dive into connectors. The Cooler Master comes with two USB connectors, enough to make your motherboard feel like it's getting a hug from two very strong friends. Reviewers appreciate its modular design, which allows for easy cable management. On the flip side, the MSI doesn't specify the number, but it does boast ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5 compatibility. Reviewers highlight its sturdy cables, although they mention that cable management can be challenging. So, while Cooler Master might be giving you a warm embrace, MSI is throwing a wild party with the latest tech. Next, we have temperature resilience. The Cooler Master can handle a scorching 50 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than your last summer vacation. Reviewers have noted its silent operation and high-quality components, ensuring stable power delivery. Meanwhile, the MSI doesn't specify its limits, but with an 80+ gold certification, it's probably as cool as the other side of the pillow. Reviewers mention it runs quietly without unusual noises, making it a solid choice. Just don't leave either in a sauna. Okay? Now, let's talk modularity. The Cooler Master is fully modular, meaning you can connect only the cables you need. This is something that many reviewers love, as it allows for a clean setup. The MSI is also fully modular, which means you can also choose your own adventure. Reviewers appreciate this feature and find it enhances their build experience. These power supplies are basically the choose-your-own-adventure books of the tech world. Just don't get lost in the cable jungle. Let's not forget about the fans. The Cooler Master features a hydrodynamic fan designed for low RPM operations, which means it's quieter than your neighbor's cat during a midnight existential crisis. Reviewers say it runs flawlessly and quietly, although some have noted that the included cables can be stiff. The MSI doesn't specify its fan tech, but its reviewers have praised its quiet operation, which is a big plus for those who dislike noise. Just remember, if either starts sounding like a jet engine, you might want to check if it's trying to take off. Both the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 and the MSI A750GL have received positive reviews from users, highlighting their value, efficiency, and performance. The Cooler Master is praised for its reliability and modular design, while the MSI is noted for its quiet operation and sturdy cables. Overall, both products are seen as solid choices for gamers and PC builders alike. So, there you have it. Two power supplies, both priced the same, but each bringing its own flavor to the power party. The Cooler Master is like your reliable friend who always shows up on time, while the MSI is that wild one who brings the latest gadgets to the table. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and remember, the next time you're shopping, do it smart. Until next time, keep your cables organized and your power supplies running cool. Product links are in the description.